right, we got this 2021 Jeep Compass 80th anniversary. It is 4x4 in granite. Some of the nice touches for the 80th anniversary are the safety options. So you got the adaptive cruise control there, this half blind spot monitoring. Nice touches are the grayed out emblems for your Jeep, the grille. We got fog lights here, rims as well. Go check out the inside. All right, in this 80th anniversary Jeep Compass, you got your 8.4 touchscreen with navigation. We do have heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, keyless entry. There's also the lane depart option as well. Keeps you in the lane. It'll actually tug you in as well. All your 4x4 controls there. It does have the stop and start. Here's your controllers for the adaptive cruise control. You do have a panel sunroof in here. This does have full leather. Tons of room in the back. You also got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. For more information and pricing, comment below or give me a call at 780-907-9334. Thanks. Have a great day.